In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change logo in Odoo. We'll go through this together step by step, so you can confidently update the branding on your Odoo website. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to apply your new logo without breaking anything on your site. First, make sure you're logged into your Odoo instance and that you have access to the website you want to update. From there, go to your website's homepage. This is usually the main landing page that visitors see when they first arrive. It's important to start here so you can immediately preview how your new logo will look in context, right on your live layout. Once you're on the homepage, take a moment to look at your current logo. Typically, it appears in the header area, often on the top left of the page. Notice its size, colors, and how it sits next to your menu items. This quick visual check helps you choose a replacement logo that fits well and doesn't disrupt your existing design. Next, switch to the edit mode of your website. In Odoo, you'll usually see an Edit or Website Editor button at the top of the page when you're logged in as an administrator. Click that to open the editing tools. This puts the page into a layout editing state, where different blocks and elements become selectable. Now, move your mouse over the logo area in the header. When you hover over it, you should see that the logo becomes highlighted, indicating that it's an editable element. Double-click on the logo to open its editing options. If double-clicking doesn't work in your version, a single click or a small edit icon nearby will do the same thing. But the idea is to access that logo configuration panel. In the logo settings, you'll have two main choices. You can either add an image by URL, or you can upload an image file from your computer. Using a URL is useful if your logo is hosted elsewhere, but in most cases, uploading a local image is more reliable. Make sure your logo is a clear image file, like PNG or JPG, ideally with a transparent background and appropriate dimensions, so it doesn't appear stretched or pixelated. Once you've selected or uploaded your new logo, you'll see a preview of it on the page. If it looks good, the final step is to click on Save. This applies your changes and updates the live version of your website. Give the page a quick refresh to confirm everything looks correct. And that's it. That's how you change your Odoo site logo.